And what is up, people, and welcome back to Crypto Infinity YouTube channel. Today checking out one great trading platform called Zoomex. It is centralized and also decentralized exchange, offering wide variety of features for maybe new, seasoned or professional level traders. There's a lot of things, and I will also show you my personal trading, how I'm trading over here, so you should definitely stay tuned. We are starting on their website. One important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything is that this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one, and if you're thinking about checking, joining, or maybe investing into any crypto project, you should definitely do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational, and now we can start. We are here and we can see right away a lot of things are mentioned over here. We can see a lot of promotions or trending campaigns that are active currently for new users, for example this February growth. There is more things, and overall they are really having great and interesting, we can say, surprises and rewards for new users. I will not check that right now. We want to go to the platform itself. On the top left, we can see there is centralized and decentralized part of the project itself. I'm currently on centralized and I will trade on centralized, but for anyone who doesn't want central authority and centralized exchange and the functioning of it, they can do it on decentralized. Of course, in the trading part, we can see spot futures, earning possibilities, copy trading that is offered also, and market, overall buying, fiat deposit, and so on. But overall, really usual things that are seen overall. Now let's talk facts. There is 3+ million registered users. They are operating across 35 nations, 590 plus perpetual contracts, and one of the biggest things and probably one of the core utilities that Zoomex is trying to achieve is their latency. Extremely low latency, that is probably most important thing for traders, which is less than 10 milliseconds, which is really giving us great experience in the trading, and you don't have to worry about slippage, price movement and execution of the trades when there is such a low latency. Security of the Zoomex itself is really on a high level. Of course, that is one of the core pillars of the project itself, and the security of the project itself is done by auditing by Hacken, one really trusted firm for auditing projects, smart contracts and all of that. So truly great. Here the website is guiding us on how to start and create the account. There is also tutorials where it is explained how to deposit, withdraw, spot trading, future trading, and so on and so on. One massive thing and big part of this video, I really want to talk about partnerships that Zoomex has created throughout the years. Overall, the project itself and the exchange itself is here since 2021, which is already 4 to 5 years, which is really massive. They have just re-announced their massive partnership with Formula One team. We can see that on the top of the website. It is Haas team, truly massive, and as we can see there are explanations. They are entering the new phase of their partnership, and I can see that it is mutually beneficial partnerships. But overall, F1 team is extremely popular. F1 is extremely popular sport, and having partnership like this is truly phenomenal for Zoomex itself. I love it, and also both companies, let's say, are based on efficiency, on speed, on accuracy, and that is where I see the combination of the two. And of course, crypto projects, exchanges, and so on are great partners and are already working with F1 teams for quite some time. Great thing is that they are renewing their partnership, which means last time or last year was successful. The Haas F1 team has also mentioned that on their X profile, which is truly massive. And now one more partnership with football Argentinian star. It is Emiliano Martinez, and he is their exclusive brand ambassador. Again, one more time, one worldly known person who will be present, who will spread awareness about Zoomex itself, who will talk about it, who will have their marks, who will have overall enhancing the appearance of the project itself and showing it to global masses. That is biggest thing, and having the star like this in as a brand ambassador, exclusive brand ambassador, is really beneficial for the Zoomex itself. And now guys, trading, important part, and I will go to futures trading, and here also there are leverages that are offered, spot trading for anyone who is interested in that. I will go to USDT perpetual, and you can see how their dashboard is looking. This is BTC price and BTC chart. This is 15 minutes time frame. Here is the order book also. You can see a couple of types of trades that can be opened. For example, limit market and conditional. Limit order itself will, when you put the target where you want it to start. Market is when the order is started instantly. That is how I will do it. And conditional says we can see trigger price when you want some price to trigger your trade. For example, if the BTC hit 70k to open the long position for the BTC to go higher, that is the third part and third option. And we can see leverage that is offered, and currently, well, let's see, the current leverage is too high, so I think my account is kept somewhere at around 19. I will be just on 10, and there is a possibility to unlock 1,000, which is truly massive, and leverage is really giving big thing for the traders themselves. As we can see, I will open one position right now, and BTC is currently somewhere at around 71k. I can see that we rebounded from this price a couple of times when we zoom out a little bit. Let me just show you how it has happened. So a couple of times, actually from the price of 70k, we are 1,000 away from it, but this was the trigger price where the price gone down, where it's sitting right now, and then goes higher. I'll open buy position, and for example, in the market, of course, I will put 150. No, so this is in the BTC. In the BTC, and I will input the amount of BTCs that I want to spend. Let's say 0.01, and that is around $700. Let's do 0.05. $350 for the position. I will open it just to show you and demonstrate you how it is looking. I'm thinking that the price will go higher, and this is the long position that I have just opened. Your entire order has been filled. I have bought the BTC and I expect the price to go higher. Easy and simple, and that is how one trade is executed when you go to market, when of course you buy instantly. Easy and simple. Now is the waiting game, of course, and we can see here is my trade where it is sitting, and my profit and loss is put over here, which is currently actually on zero level. There is not up or higher. As we can see, I'm like 20-30 cents in the plus, but overall I can follow this now on 5-minute chart, on a minute chart. However, I like it because of course it is just personal preference that I'm currently picking from and choosing, but that is how one trade is executed. Easy and simple, and I can close it right away. If I go to market, the position itself will be closed really fastly. I will not leave it for a long time. This was just demonstration purposes, and I want to show you how everything is done, how everything is looking, and how someone who is interested can use Zoomex. Latency is really high level. Trade was executed almost instantly, which is really important. For someone who is in trading, he knows how much it is important. Also, to know and to show you how Zoomex is actually thinking about their users, how Zoomex is actually wanting to know how their users are overall, how they are seeing their interface and all of that. We can see after watching the video and experiencing Zoomex, please share your feeling about the Zoomex experience itself. So someone who is a YouTuber and influencer itself can also show and explain and give their feedback, which is truly great. Their social medias, of course, are a must place. We can see their X profile, close to 100,000 people. Everyone is in love with Zoomex and big supporters. There is also a YouTube channel that we just saw where they are showing and where they are talking about some really interesting things, and explanation videos are found there. There is Telegram group also that we will check out right now. Telegram group with close to 65,000 people active. This is for communicating, for asking questions, and for having that fast information. For your conveniences, guys, I have left all the links in the description of the video, so you will be able to check them out. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Let me know what you think about all of this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.